Hello, and welcome back to Scrum Study Course on the Guide to the Scrum Body of Knowledge, or the SBOK Guide. In this section, we will look at the best way to use the SBOK Guide. But before that, let's review some foundation material. The SBOK Guide is a reference and knowledge guide. It is used by experienced Scrum practitioners and other product and service developers, as well as persons with no prior experience or knowledge of Scrum or other project management frameworks. In SBOK Guide, you will find that the contents are organized for easy reference by the three Scrum core team roles, that of the product owner, Scrum Master, and the Scrum Team. The content for each Scrum core team role is identified in the Roles Guide section. A Roles Guide provides direction regarding the relevance of each section in the chapter to the Scrum core team member. The phases covering the 6 Scrum principles and 5 Scrum aspects also include a Roles Guide. What's more, in order to facilitate the best application of the Scrum framework, the SBOK Guide has clearly differentiated mandatory inputs, tools, and outputs from non-mandatory or optional ones. In the SBOK Guide, the inputs, tools, and outputs denoted by asterisks are mandatory, while others with no asterisks are optional. It is recommended that persons being introduced to Scrum focus primarily on the mandatory inputs, tools, and outputs, while more experienced practitioners should read the entire process phases. I hope this will help you in understanding SBOK Guide better. I look forward to seeing you in the next module. Thank you for learning with us.